guys and welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I'm gonna show you an easy peasy DIY summer facial which is really helpful in removing tan and letting your skin breathe, removing dead skin cells and everything. And it contains all the natural ingredients that you can easily find in your kitchen. So without further ado, let's jump into the video. So the very first step that I love to do is this is a step that I do every time. So you always need to work on a clean face, and for that I use rose water. Alright, so now starting with the step number 1, which is cleansing, and for cleansing you will need 3 ingredients only. So one is this aloe vera gel, then it's lemon juice, and then it's turmeric. So now take a clean bowl and a spoon, and now I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon of this aloe vera gel, then I'm gonna add pinch of this turmeric, and then I'm gonna add at least 6 to 7 drops of this lemon juice. That's it. And now it will appear something like this. So basically cleansing is done to just make sure that your face is clean and it is ready for further steps. So with this I'm going everywhere, like under my eyes, my nose, forehead and close to my hairline as well. And now you just need to do some motions like you do with your face wash. Circular motions. So basically we have added 3 products in this: aloe vera gel, lemon and turmeric. So aloe vera gel will help to soothe the sunburn, lowers the signs of aging, and it is a really good inflammatory product which will help to reduce your acne. Lemon that we have added will help to remove any blackheads. It will help to lighten the darker skin and the spots and blemishes, and it also helps to deep cleanse your skin. Turmeric, as we all know, it is a natural antiseptic agent which will help to prevent bacteria spreading, because these bacteria causes breakouts, zits, acne and whatnot. Also it will protect against sun damage. It will brighten out the skin, giving it a natural glow. And now when you are done with this, just wash your face and come back. Alright, so I washed my face and now I'm just gonna pat it dry.
My nail paint color has changed to this bright potty yellow color.
Alright, so now the step number 2 is scrubbing, and for that you will be needing some rice flour like this, and then you will be needing milk cream. I have taken this packet color rice flour because I didn't have time to crush and grind all the rice and things, so I have taken this rice flour which is available in market. All you have to do is, I have taken this 1 teaspoon of rice flour and I'm gonna add half tablespoon of milk cream. Now I'm gonna just give it a good mix. So this will going to give you a thick consistency, like you can see, this sort of. I'm gonna take some like this. So we have added 2 ingredients in this, rice flour and milk cream. Rice flour will help to give you a UV protection. It soothes the sunburn, it exfoliates dead skin. It also helps in skin brightening, and it is a lightening treatment. And also it treats with your wrinkles, pimples and age spots. Milk cream, it will help to moisturize and it will brighten your skin, it will soften your skin, and it will fade your dark spots and acne marks, and also it will shrink your pores. So you really need to be careful because it shreds like this. So I've heard many people that they are allergic to milk cream. Milk cream is basically malai, and also for oily skin malai is not suitable. So what you can do is, in rice flour you can either add honey, and if not then you can add curd as well. Rice flour and milk cream both works together to brighten your skin and remove dead skin. So you need to do it for good 4 to 5 minutes and then just simply wash your face and come back. Alright, so this exfoliator worked really well for me because I am an extremely dry skin girl, so that milk cream worked really good. Like, my skin is feeling so hydrated, it is so soft and so plump. Now the step number 3 is making your own DIY facial massage cream, and for that you will be needing honey, then aloe vera gel, then turmeric, and then the same rice flour. So now I have taken 1 teaspoon of this rice flour, then I'm gonna add half teaspoon of this aloe vera gel, then I'm gonna add half teaspoon of this dabur honey, and then I'm gonna add pinch of this turmeric, and now give it a good mix and make it a smooth creamy paste just like a cream. So it's something like this. It is very thick, so I'm gonna add half teaspoon of this aloe vera gel again, and then some honey again. Like, you have to check consistency by yourself. You have seen a moisturizing cream, right? So you have to make the same consistency. So basically, facial massage is needed to relax your skin, to calm down your skin, to give it a good blood flow, because when you massage your face in right ways and in right directions, then the blood flows become really good. So now it has a cream like consistency, as you can see. I'm gonna apply it all over. And it smells really good as well. So first I'm just gonna spread it like everywhere, and now I'm gonna massage it. So for every part of your face there is different direction of massage. So for your cheeks you have to massage it like this. So we have added 4 ingredients in this: rice flour, honey, turmeric and aloe vera gel. Rice flour, is, I have already told you, it is a really good ingredient that will help in anti-aging, and it also helps in oil absorption, and it fairs your skin. For your forehead you need to massage it like this in the downward direction. Aloe vera gel will moisturize your skin. It helps in removing dark spots, and it also helps to soothe the sunburn and remove suntan. For your chin, you have to massage it like this way. Turmeric has an antibacterial and antioxidant property which helps to improve the skin complexion. Honey is an excellent moisturizer. It soothes the skin, and it also helps to brighten, give a nice glow to your skin. This direction, like inward direction, goes for your eyes. Then these small circular motions for your nose. So now if you feel your this cream a little tacky, what you can do is take some water drops like this, wet it a little and start massaging again. All these ingredients together helps to remove your pigmentation, your dark spots as well. So you have to massage in the same direction that I have told you for about 2 to 3 minutes. That's it. Alright guys, so I can clearly see the difference like before and after. And these things really help. Like, we act lazy sometimes, but we should not. We must do these things on regular basis because it really helps. Because nothing can beat the glow of natural ingredients, like the DIY thing I really love. And now the step number 4 is face mask. This is the part where magic happens, like really it happens. So for face mask you will need at least 4 to 5 ingredients. Like, let me check: gram flour, curd, honey, lemon and turmeric. So I have taken 1 teaspoon of this gram flour, and now I'm gonna add this half tablespoon of curd into it. Then I'm gonna squeeze half teaspoon of this lemon juice, and then a pinch of turmeric, because I have added turmeric in each and every step, so I don't want my face to look like really pale. And the last and the final ingredient is this honey. So I'm gonna add half teaspoon of this honey. Like, this is the perfect consistency, if you can see. This is what you need. So basically we have added 5 ingredients in this. Gram flour, it really helps to remove tan and it exfoliates your skin as well. And also if you have fine facial hair, it will help to remove them also. Curd, it will help to reduce wrinkles, dark spots, pigmentation. It also soothes the sunburn. And you already know the goodness of turmeric, lemon and honey. What benefits do they provide? I have already told you in the previous steps. So you have to keep it for about 15 minutes. Like, whenever you feel it's dry, you can wash it off. So once it is dried, you do not have to just wash it. Just wet your hands and start scrubbing it a little, and then you have to wash it. So I'll be back when it is completely dry. Alright guys, so it's been 15 minutes, and once it is dried, it will look something like this. So I'm gonna wash it off. You just have to splash water and start scrubbing. And yes, this is the way you have to wash it, and then come back. So this is the magic I was talking about. Like, you can see how my skin is looking like so radiant and glowing. So these things actually work, like it is in front of you. So I would definitely recommend you all to try this facial. So I'm really loving what it has given to my skin, like so soft, so smooth, so supple. Like, I really love it. And now this is not it. You have to go in with the step number 5, which is to add your favorite moisturizer. So I'm gonna go in with this Pond's Light Moisturizer. If you're an oily skin girl and you are feeling a little oil on your face, you can simply go in with the aloe vera gel. You can just apply it. But moisturizing is really important. Like after you have done all these steps, you can't skip on moisturizer. So yes. So that's it with this video, and I really hope you guys find it helpful because it really helps to, you know, brighten up your skin and make it glowy. I have tried it myself and I love the results. And also if you have any other recommendation, then do let me know in the comment section below, and I'll see you in my next video.